I've been coming to Dental Care of Baltimore now for a little over 2 years. I went in for this to get an examination to see that I knew a couple of crowns had to be replaced. Turned out everything in my mouth had to be replaced except for my tongue. And I say that with a smile because I was shocked when they examined me and they said, well, Mr. Conway, we can't save anything. I said, well, are you sure there's not one good one in there? And they said, no. This has affected my life in so many ways. It's I can explain it, but it's hard to explain because it's more of what I give off. I give off a beautiful smile. When folks look at me, they smile. I'm not afraid to smile anymore.